Okay, here's another proof account ni hubby. Ayan, kaka-register ko lang 1 hour ago or 2 hours ago. Ayan, 264 na yung nag-register after him. So, $50 package or 3,000 pesos. Zero invite. And eto na guys. Ang rate na niya ay $5.12 every day. Ayan, daily earnings. Current active ranks niya is number 3. So, punta tayo sa rank. Grabe to guys. Kailangan na mag-take action para makaposition ka na agad. Ayan, rank number 4 na pala siya. Oh my God. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng mga rank? Ayan. So, beginner, ibig sabihin, activated na yung beginner niya. Kikita siya ng $1.50 per day for 40 days. Ayan. Ibig sabihin nun may term yung isang package. Kaya pwede kang bumili ng multiple package. Pero isang package pa lang ang lupit. $50 capital mo magiging 300,000 US dollars. Okay. So, ito, rank number 2, 1.75 daily. Activated na rin siya. Meron na siyang claim reward button. So, once may claim reward button na dyan, ibig sabihin, pwede ka na mag-claim. So, pumapatak na yung dollars. Ito yung rank number 4, kaka-open na sa kanya. So, $3 daily. Kaya pala $5 something na yung earnings niya per day. So, ito yung waiting niya na mag-open up. 1,038 people na magre-register sa company. Counted lahat. Lahat yun global na magre-register. Once na-accomplish na niyo yung 1,000 people, ma-unlock na tong gold at additional $5 daily. Wow, 'di ba? So ito yung mga ranks na soon pag nag-open up, ayan yung daily additional earnings. Oh my God. Unbelievable, grabe. Lahat ng papasok sa system, pag nauna ka ng pumosisyon, yung the next na papasok, pasok lahat sa'yo. So this is the real power line driven system, single leg na napaka-amazing. Ayan, meron na siyang 0.28 cents na pwede niyang i-claim. Tapos, pasok to sa MetaMask wallet. And we all know, once na nasa MetaMask wallet na yan, pwede mo na siyang i-withdraw kahit saan, like Binance, so Coinbase. So, napaka-easy mo na lang siya i-encash. This is real, guys. This is real. So, yung package ID niya, 21,909. It means 21,909 na members or ID yung nag-register sa system. So, napaka-powerful nito. Don't miss this, guys. Grabe to. This is the best 3,000 pesos you will ever spend in your whole life. Alright.